Every time I think of summertime, girl, I think of you. I think of caramel skin, your curly hair, and bird tattoos. Every time I scroll through a photo album, I always feel nostalgia mixed with emptiness, 'cause we thought we...
Today, pupunta kami ng Venice Grand Canal Mall. Pinupuno pala nila ng gusto yung loob ng bus bago umalis. Pero sumakay na din kami ni Sam kahit nakatayo kami para makarating na rin kami doon agad. Alas 6 nga pala yung event ng Venice Mall, pero parang hindi na namin maaabutan ni Sam. Diyan nga pala kami bumaba. Then from there, kailangan namin tumawid sa pedestrian lane para makapunta dun sa mall. Ito nga pala yung palatandaan. Itong Mega World Building, katapat ng Philippine Army. Medyo mahaba yung lalakarin nyo, mga 10 minutes bago makarating doon. Kung nakita nyo na itong McKinley signage, dito kayo maglalakad papunta dun sa mall.
Later. Yes, he said there's a McDonald's here. Located at 2nd floor.
Yeah.
Andiyo nga. Andiyo nga.
You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do?
Sarap yan. It's not moving. Hi, it's not real. It's not real. Sadya. Pero mukha siyang totoo ah. Hadin. Sarangin. Okay. Thank you.
Nakakatuwa to sila kuya kasi napaka-approachable.
Oh, paliwa. Halika. Halika.
Hindi ko lang nakuhaan lahat, pero sobrang daming human statue dito.
Hello. Diyan. Hatsu. Okay, thank you. Let's go. Yes. Where? Parang touchy hai tao mein, okay?
Apa nobu pizza today? May apa nobu pizza today?
Apa dun manis mo?
Oma don chokuman.
Yes. Umadon siya. Pabak lang. Hatsu. Hatsu. Big heart. Okay na. Uy.
Fish Master.
Lollipop, lollipop, lollipop.
Lollipop, lollipop. La 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 la. Everyone is taking a picture.
Uy!
Araso.
Pikus!
Napaso.
Ang daming tao dito sa bridge para magpa-picture.
Where?
There's more!
Oh wow, it's so pretty. She's saying hello to you. Who is that? Do you know him? Do you know him? He's from Toy Story. Hello, no mo maniso. Ala, ang cute ng aso. Wala, cute. What?
There's two clowns!
Yeah. Ing, onjo nga. You're not gonna get it if you... Oh, ang cute naman ng cake. Later, after we eat.
Ang ganda na ng place na to, napaka-romantic ng atake niya. Perfect siya para sa mga couple na nagde-date. At saka, konti lang yung tao dito compare sa BGC. Marami nga pala ditong fine dining restaurants. Pero meron din naman mga affordable restaurants dito, like fast food chains.
Let's go
Ang
to
cute
him.
nga eh, kasi nakasabay pa namin sa elevator si Woody.
Because it's fun. Say hello. Huh?
I saw the green one.
Odi.
Aliaga, in the other shop.
Oh, the toy shop is here.
Ayan, namit niya din si Tanghulu.
Ah, it's a tanghulo. It's a tanghulo.
Check naman natin yung food court nila.
Super lunch is here.
Gusto sana namin dito kasi gusto doon ng pizza ni Sam. Kaya lang madumi yung table nila, wala naglilinis.
Ang daming murals dito, kaya nakaka-enjoy maglakad. Weh? May ba ni gahe? Sukate? Jollibee do iso ka ba? You want
Ice cream.
Jollibee, McDonald's, or pizza?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? Ice cream in McDonald's or ice cream in Jollibee?
Ice cream.
In Jollibee or McDonald's? Odi. Odi. Jollibee?
Chicken and rice and I want ice cream cola. Ice cream cola. You have pigeon.
Gusto ko sanang kumain sa ibang restaurant. Ayaw naman isa. Gusto niya sa Jollibee lang or McDonald's. Kaya nakakainis naman na. I want to eat Japanese ramen. I want to eat Japanese ramen. Chaba, look at the ceiling. And then yung McDonald's. You see the McDonald's? Jugita. Where's that? Where you go? Oh, decide. What do you want? Jollibee or McDonald's? Jollibee? Oh, let's go. Jollibee. Jollibee. Yes, Jollibee, Jollibee, Jollibee. 괜찮아? Jollibee! Here we go again.
Gusto ko sanang umupo dun sa labas para kita yung view. Kaya lang ayaw naman ni Sam.
No, Maja? Chicken, cola, and ice cream. Maja?
ice cream cola.
Like this? It's Coke float. Coke float. It's okay. Your ice cream is here.
You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me back.
Nagayan na umuwi to si Sam kasi may lakad sila nila Tito Basti niya. Marami kasi siyang kalaro doon kaya gusto niya sumama. Kakamadili namin, nakalimutan ko tuloy yung burger ko.
조심해. Let's go. Wait, what's that? Doon ka mo, hey. Yeah.
Actually, mukha siyang palasyo, no? Maganda din naman dito pero medyo maliit lang siya compare sa ibang malls. Sa susunod na babalik kami dito, baka umaga naman.
Okay, lalakad na kami papunta ng Sakayan. Then, medyo mahaba yung nakalakaran. Dun pa banda. Tawid muna kami and then pumunta dun. Ang cute! Don't hold her, ha? She's gonna bite you. You cannot take her home. We have many cats in the house. If you take her home, you should buy a food for her. Do you have money? Oh, okay.
We need to pay for the cats.
Yes. Look. Look at her.
What is she doing?
은성아. 이거 귀여워. 색깔 이쁘다.
Oh my God, black curtain that cat is pretty, Majo.
맞아. Oops.
Mas maganda yung mga kainan banda dito, pero hindi na to Venice Mall. Parang independent building na ata to or condo.
은정아, let's eat here. Helmet. 이게 뭐야? I also like to try this.
Karamihan nga din pala dito sa hilera na to, puro 24 hours.
Andiyan nga, careful ha. Wala, she's afraid of you. She's a baby.
That's her mom? That's
Yes.
her mom?
This is a fine pabalik. Ang kami bumaba kanina.
It's pretty.
This bus?
That bus is so pretty.
As usual, punuan ulit bago umalis yung bus. Literal na siksikan talaga. Pero okay lang kasi hindi naman kami maarte. Ayan, excited na umuwi si Sam kasi may sarili siyang lakad.
Like and subscribe. Go put your more with the setting.
You like see your friends in the Roblox, right?
Can I see your nails?
Friends in the Roblox.
With
mga English.
morning.
You go like this.
Ay, Kuya Te, sa Roblox, may kay... We are so cute.
As you know, meron kaming 4 kittens. Dahil nga marami na kaming pusa, kailangan na namin silang hanapan ng bagong owner. So kanina yung pusang itim, hinatid na nila kanina sa Quezon City. Mukhang okay naman yung bago niyang owner, yung status ng life niya, okay naman. Masuri din kami dun sa mga pinagbibigyan namin ng cats or yung mga bagong owner kasi hindi din naman biro yung gastos kapag meron kang cat or pets. Kaya hanggat maaari, mas okay yung may pera para naman masustain niya yung magandang buhay para dun sa cat or sa kitten.